Hey, what's going on, Hot Ones fans? This is Sean Evans checking in to say Happy New Year. We're here at Hot Ones. We have one resolution and one resolution only, and that is more sauce. So we're kicking off 2020 the only way we know how, and that is with our Season 11 Hot Sauce Reveal. Last season, we brought back sauces from some of our favorite makers in the history of the show. This year, though, we're bringing some new friends into the Ring of Fire, along with a globe-trotting range of spicy flavors designed to keep our celebrity guests sweating through the career-spanning deep dive interview that is the Hot Ones experience. So without wasting any more of your time, I can see you're reading ahead already. Leading off, it's the classic. What more is there to say about the classic? It's just good, clean family fun. And here at Hot Ones, we're all about clean, good family fun. Take, for example, the Eric Andre episode. I'm gonna eat out your camera operators. You hear that? Boys! In the 2 spot, please welcome to the table Cantina Royal Tamale Pecca. This sauce is made in Brooklyn by a chef from Mexico, and to quote Hot Ones alum Johnny Knoxville, it's muy delicioso, with tropical tamarind, smoky chilies, and a kiss of sweetness. It's great on chicken or vegan nugs if you're into that sort of thing. All right, moving on to the 3 spot. We hop in the prop plane and head to the South Pacific to scoop up Fiji Fire Native Bongo Chili Hot Sauce. I can safely say that this is the first sauce we've ever had on the show that features bongo chili peppers. It's also the first sauce that we've ever had on the show that features Fijian turmeric. And it's also the first sauce that we've ever had on the show that pays tribute to the Fijian firewalkers. Come with me, celebrity guest. Firewalk with me down the Hot Ones gauntlet. Don't be scared. And then here at number 4, what's that? Take 2. And then here at number 4, what's that? It's Double Take Salsa Company's Scotch Bonnet Mustard. Now, Spice Lords, you already know how I feel about a mustardy Caribbean hot sauce. Shout out to Pirate's Lantern from season 6. And just like that sauce, this one right here, it has that bright Scotch bonnet heat and then the tanginess of the mustard to go right along with it. The perfect sauce for clearing the sinuses right before some Explain That Graham anecdotes. And speaking of double takes, Los Calientes is back in the 5 spot, and it's red. I am excited to announce Los Calientes Rojo, a supercharged remix of the original with an extra handful of habaneros, citrus, and spice to crank things up a bit. This sauce right here was the standout star of our special release subscription box last month, and you know what? We heard your calls, we saw your texts, we read your emails, and it is time. We hear you. Time to bring Los Calientes Rojo up to the big leagues. It is back in the 5 spot, available February 6th. February 6th, heatness.com to order just in time for the season 11 premiere of Hot Ones. All right, things are heating up. We're moving on to the back half. From the shores of SoCal to Southeast Asia, number 6 brings us to Seed Ranch Hot Thai Green. You smell that? Lemongrass, aromatic basil, ginger, combined with lime juice, it reminds you of a delicious Thai curry. You know what else is in that bottle? Carolina Reapers, and that reminds you that you're in the back half of the season 11 lineup and the kid gloves are off. Okay, moving on to number 7, we take a trip to Ontario. This is Pepper North Stargazer, a diabolical blend of ghost peppers, Scotch bonnets, and jalapenos. Snapped into focus by citrus, chipotle, and a touch of maple sweetness. Shout out to Canada, shout out to Maddie Matheson, shout out World Peace. All right, moving on down the lineup, in the 8 spot, it is the longest tenured hot sauce in Hot Ones history, 10 straight seasons, and continuing its Cal Ripken Jr.-like Iron Man streak, it is Da Bomb Beyond Insanity. Da Bomb is the sauce that needs no introduction if you've been watching us for any amount of time. If you're new here, check out the fucking comp video that we put out a couple weeks ago. Colin made it. Shout out Colin Higgins. Da Bomb forever in the 8 spot. Or at least it still is. It still is. It is still here, baby. Shout out Tom Brady. All right, moving on to the 9 spot. Another thing you know if you watch the show is that we like to save a space on our gauntlet for our friends down under. And at number 9, it's Dingo Sauce Co.'s Widowmaker. All you need to know about this sauce is that it features 6 super spicy strains packed into one and designed to punch you right in the mouth. Jab, jab, right hook, Left hook, uppercut, haymaker, widowmaker. All right, bringing up the caboose and then letting it loose. It's your fave in the 10 spot, the last dab, triple X. Remove your caps for Smokin' Ed Curry, salute to Pepper X, and let's give a special ovation to our Season 11 Hot Ones hot sauce lineup. Here it is in all of its flaming glory. You'll get to see our new sauces in action during the Hot Ones Season 11 premiere, February 6th. That's right, we're back on the internet February 6th. Also premiering in February, Hot Ones the game show on truTV. So a huge month for us here at Hot Ones, and you know what? It would all mean nothing. It would all mean absolutely nothing without you, the fans, who've now rocked with us into the 11th season. Look at us. Who would have thought? Not me. We'll see you again February 6th. Thank you. Thank you.
Another reveal.
What is up, Spice Lords? This is Camera Guy Bill here. Welcome to Bill's Wing Tutorial. There's one thing this Buffalo boy knows how to do, it's eat a wing. First, you're gonna wet your wing with some sauce here. You pour a little drizzle there. Oh, and then, what I like to do, I pull it apart, and then you get 2 wings for the price of 1. You just move it up. For more tutorials on how to eat chicken wings, smash that subscribe and like button. This is Camera Guy Bill here saying it's good to be Camera Guy Bill.